students. So let us start one more problem on graphical method. So let me solve this one. So what is the first of all? Let me write the problem. So third problem we are solving. So old hens can be brought for rupees 2 each, and young hens at rupees 5 each. Fine. The old hen lay 3 eggs per week, and young hen lay 5 eggs per week, each egg being worth 30 paise. A hen, that is young or old, costs rupee 1 per week to feed. Rupees 1 week to feed. So I have only 80 rupees to spend for hens. How many of each kind should I buy to give a profit of more than rupees 6 per week? Assuming I cannot house more than 20 hens. So this is the problem. Fine. So old hen has been bought for 2 rupees. Old hen costs 2 rupees. Young hen costs 5 rupees. Old hen lays 3 eggs, whereas young hen lays 5 eggs per week. So each egg is been sold for 30 paisa in the market. So for a hen, whether it is young or old, it costs around 1 rupees per week to feed. So I have only 80 rupees in my pocket. So I want to spend on the hens, means I want to buy the hens. So how many of old and new I should buy, so that the profit should be more than 6 rupees per week. But the condition is what? I cannot house more than 20 hens. So we need to first of all formulate an MPP, then we need to solve that formulated MPP using graphical method. Fine. Solution. Let x1 be the number of old hands and x2 be the number of young hands. Fine. Hands brought. Next thing is, since old hen lay 3 eggs per week and young hen lay 5 eggs per week. 5 eggs per week. Fine. Therefore, total number of eggs obtained per week be, how much it is? 3x1 plus 5x2. That is 3x1 plus 5x2 is the number of eggs obtained per week. Fine. So, cost of each egg is rupees 30 paisa or 30 paise. Fine. The total gain is 0.30 into 3x1 plus 5x2. How much it is? 3x1 plus 5x2. Fine. Expenditure for feeding the hens. Feeding the hens is that x1 plus x2 at rupees 1 is 1 into x1 plus x2. Next, total profit Z earned per week will be Z is equal to total gain minus total expenditure. Fine. Total gain minus total expenditure, that is Z is equal to 0.30 3x1 plus 5x2 minus 1 into x1 plus x2. Fine. Or I can write Z is equal to 0.9x1 plus 1.5x2 minus x1 minus x2. So that is Z is equal to minus 0.1 x1 plus 0.5 x2 is the objective function. what it is. This is what objective function. Fine.